Let's turn focus now to a very crucial piece of legislation which is all set to be introduced in the current session of Parliament when it does resume on Monday, after political parties have reached a broad consensus on the contention land acquisition bill. The bill will replace the 119-year-old land law in the country. Gauri Dwivedi with all the details.
Land has been a political hot potato. Nearly 2 years after Rahul Gandhi landed in Bhatta Parsol, making compensation for farmers' land a huge political issue, a new legislation is finally taking shape. Political parties across the spectrum broadly agree on the new land bill, one that will be tabled in the budget session of Parliament which resumes on Monday, and one that will replace the 119-year-old archaic existing land law.
हम सब सहमति की ओर बढ़े हैं और ये खुशी की बात है कि इस सफल बैठक के बाद अब ये निश्चित है कि ये बिल अब सदन में आएगा.
The deal clincher was the government's acceptance of BJP's key demand of allowing farmers to lease land, something that will ensure regular annual income for farmers and allow them to retain ownership.
जो 12 बिंदु मैंने बीजेपी की तरफ से दिए थे, उस पर लगभग सभी पर सरकार ने स्वीकृति का उत्तर दिया है. सरकार सहमत हो गई है.
Key issues like compensation and consent clauses remain unchanged, where companies will need consent of 80% of farmers, while for PPP projects, consent of 70% of landowners will be needed. Even for tenants, compensation clauses will be extended. The industry for whom handling of land will change is finally breathing a sigh of relief.
The format of the bill right now is far better than what it was tabled earlier. So that's why there is a good consensus. I hope this will be good for infrastructure development.
Land is a politically sensitive issue, and which is perhaps why no political party wants to be seen on the wrong side of this largest constituency, the Indian farmer. But can this new legislation, touted as UPA's big political plank, really woo the voter? Wait till the ballot boxes are opened. Gauri Dwivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.